guys. All right, part two of this video now, the new stuff that we got for everything. We got the new tray installed down here so that way we can move the batteries. I have not relocated the cables yet, but those should be pretty easy to relocate. And that brings us on to the next part, which is getting the new battery tray mounted. I did get a tray from Alpha Customs. Those guys have done some phenomenal work for me thus far. And their kit does relocate it here as usual. Now, the cool part about this kit, guys, is that it's actually a heck of a lot cheaper. It's a lot cheaper than all the other ones I've seen online. The only issue I can find with it is the fact that it doesn't have the step-by-step instructions on how to mount it. But Troy and his team over at Alpha Customs are phenomenal and to work with on this. So without further ado, here's our tray. So the tray is powder coated black. It comes with the crossbar to hold the batteries down in place, and it's got the mounting holes pre-drilled for you inside of it. Now there are 4 mounting holes to mount this thing, and you have choices on how you want to mount it. You can drill holes all the way through the crossbar here, or the upright bar here, and just bolt it to the whole bar like that. Or what I'm going to attempt to do, I'm actually just going to put rib nuts inside of this right here. No, I don't think I'm going to do that. I think the rib nuts would be too difficult to keep lined up 100% of the time, so I'm going to try to mount straight through this guy here. Now, I should have enough room. I think I got to do one thing. I think I got to get this off of here. And then once I get that off of there, then I'll be able to drill the hole straight through. And this is just one of those shields that are on there. It's all gunky anyways. So, yeah. Now, to start this process though, it's a little bit difficult because you have to figure out how you're going to mount that thing with the holes and stuff. I made a guide. So I created up this little... Alright, so to help out with the process, sorry, I had to pause the video there. Yard guys were getting really loud, and I had to pick up some stuff really quick. I had to make a guide. So what I did is I took obviously a cardboard box, and I actually cut it out to reflect exactly the upright bar here. And then I went to my battery case, and excuse those out of the way here, and I lined up the holes here, put them on here, marked them all off, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tape this to the side of the upright bar right here, and this will give me the position that I need it to be. Now what I also did here as well was leveled this out. So I took the battery box, held it up here with a level on it, so that way I can make sure the batteries were pretty level, which is why you see this top line here. The top of the cardboard here lines up to the top of the crossbar. Essentially what I did is I started at the corner over here and then drew it across. So now I'm going to tape it up, mark my holes off on either side of the crossbar, and then we'll just go from there. All right, got the holes marked, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Got my punch. I'm going to punch it down, and I'm going to start drilling them out. Hopefully my drill bit, which fell in here, hopefully that thing can get it all the way through for me. It might. We'll see. Here we go. All right, holes are drilled. Straight on through. All 4 of them, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Sitting over here as well. I went ahead and kind of buffed off the edges here just to take off all the burrs and stuff like that, so that way it was safer. Using the same method as I used to work on the floorboard as well. So I'm going to hit it a little. I'm going to scrub this down really quick, and then hit it with some Rust-Oleum spray paint just to kind of seal up those holes. All right, spray paint it all up and let this dry for a few minutes, and then I'll mount it. Both sides of it. So far, so good. All right, guys, here it is. We got it mounted. It's nice and solid. Unfortunately though, my guy did miss one of the holes, so I didn't get all 4 holes mounted, but I did get 3, and it is on there really solid and tight. I really like it a lot. All right guys, this will complete the Alpha Customs battery tray in conjunction with the seat blanking plate. So yeah, looking forward to getting everything fully mounted in here, getting some new batteries in it as well, so that way we can test all that stuff out. Some other things I have to do, I have to relocate the electrical from in there over to here, which I think we're going to be able to do that without any issues. And then, yeah, but I'm super happy with how quick and easy this went in. Just make sure you get your guide holes correct on this. But yeah, thank you everybody. Catch you guys later. Oh, one more final thing. Thanks, Troy. Dude, you answer all my questions. You make good, solid products. You and the guys over at Alpha Customs, man, phenomenal job. So yeah, if you guys get a chance and you guys like this, message Troy McDonald. I will tag him in some of these posts if I can. I will link their YouTube video, their website. All that stuff is going to be located in my post for this, so take a look below. Catch you guys later.